Hey there everyone, welcome back to this video. So if you're having this problem where you see the Safari can't open the page, so at this point, first of all, you have to understand why this problem is happening. So this problem mainly happens for three reasons. First of all, it happens because of the cookies. Second of all, date and time, and third of all, your network. Now let's go ahead and do all of the process so that you can fix this problem almost instantly. And the first things we're going to want to do from here, now go ahead and open up your settings. Then scroll down all the way back to your Safari. Go ahead and just tap on your Safari. Now scroll down all the way back to your Advanced. So right here, all the down. So go ahead and just tap on Advanced. Once you're here, then you'll be able to see this option called Website Data. So go ahead and just tap on your website data. And now wait a while unless you see all of your cookies will be available right here. Now scroll down. Now go ahead and just tap remove all website data, tap remove now, and now the first process is done. In the next process, all you gotta do, you gotta fix your time. Now to fix your time, all you gotta do, just go ahead and open up your settings and scroll down all the way back to your general. Now scroll down again to find out your date and time. Go ahead and just tap date and time from here. Once you're here, make sure to set it automatically. So if for some reason, if you see your set automatically toggled off, that can be a problem. Just set it on automatically. After setting up automatically, get out of here, and now your time will be fixed and the problem will be solved as well. Well, and lastly, you need to check your internet, whether it's fast enough to play the good role for this problem or not. Now, all you can do is simply open up any browser or even on YouTube to check whether you have the stable internet connection or not. So here, now you basically can open up your YouTube to check whether is it working or not. So you can play any video you want from here to check whether if you have the stable internet connection or not. So if not, if you have that problem with your internet, the first things you want to do, just go ahead and swap it down and toggle on your airplane mode and set it up. Let's say put on your airplane mode for around 10 to 15 seconds, and right after that, go ahead and just place it back off, and hopefully your problem will be solved. Even after that, if you're still facing the network related problem, all you want to do, just go ahead and open up your setting. Once again, you scroll down to the general, scroll down one more time all the way back to the reset, and once you're here, go ahead and just tap reset network settings. But before you do that, make sure that you have your Wi-Fi password. Now once you've done that, your password will be raised. Now I'll just go ahead and enter the password from here. Now go ahead, just tap reset network settings. Now as you guys can see, it is resetting. Once you've seen that it's done, now your problem will be solved. Now all we will do, we'll unlock this device first. Alright, now the first things we'll be doing from here, we'll be just connecting our Wi-Fi. Now once you've connected our internet, now all we will do is simple. We'll basically open up that Safari browser. So there you go. And now we'll basically type whatever the website we want to go. I'll just basically go to this website, or I'll hit go. And there you are. Well, it is now super fast. That means our problem is solved. Now we're getting no problem whatsoever. Now it is not asking for or not giving us the error that we have just seen previously. Alright guys, this is the process that you guys literally can do, especially if you're having problem with your Safari where it says your Safari can't establish the secure connection. So this is how you basically can fix your problem. Hope this video is informative. If so, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching.